Joan Hanrahan here with you. Welcome to Scoilscara Willie Clancy 2014. It's the 42nd year. I've had a wonderful evening here in Clare FM in our outside broadcast unit. I've had some remarkable people in to play, to sing, to talk to me, and I hope you're going to enjoy them. I had people like Mary McNamara, Circa Costello, we had Josie Nugent and Brian Stafford, I had Jimmy O'Brien Warren from Washford, I had another wonderful uilleann piper called David Power from Washford, Ella Marie O'Dwyer, and Rosa Carroll, Paula's daughter, came in. She was outside and she said, "Will I play you?" I said to her, "Will you play a tune?" And she said, "I will." So I hope you enjoyed the programme.